Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to connect angel broking with Tradetron, but for smart API clients. So earlier we have done a video already on how to connect smart store clients, how to connect angel broking with a Tradetron for smart store clients. Now this video we will discuss how to connect smart API clients with Tradetron. Alright, I will just show you how to do that. So first of all, we will go to broker and exchanges page. Alright, I will just delete this which I've already created. So first of all, what you have to do is at the bottom you will have to go over here. You will see the partners section. So in partners section, if you select search for angel broking, we will see the setup instructions over here. So once you click on setup instructions, we will see the steps that we need to follow to connect angel broking with Tradetron. Alright, for smart API clients. So what we have to do is, first of all, we will have to log into Smart API. So once we are on the Smart API page of Angel Broking, here you will have to log in with your details. This will be provided to you by the Angel Broking team. So I will just log into it right now. So once you logged in, it will automatically show you all the tokens and the smart API apps that you have created over here. So in this case now, since I want to create one API for trading API for Tradetron, what I will do is I will just simply create an app over here. So once you click over here, you will get this web page where you will have to follow the details. So once again, we will go to the steps. Over here, we will see that once we are on this page, we can name the app as, say, Tradetron. So I will just name this as TRADE, Tradetron. You can name it as Tradetron or you can name it as anything that you like, but preferably keep within Tradetron range so that you will be able to refer to it later on as well. So I will just keep it as Tradetron 2, and as you can see over here, we will have to put this particular redirect URL link in that slot. So I will just copy this link from here and I will put this in redirect URL. As we can see, this is the redirect URL. So we have to put it in this section. And at the end, where you see your Tradetron user ID, you will have to change this to your actual Tradetron ID, which you will see in the profile section. So if you go to the profile section over here, you will see that there is certain user ID for Tradetron that is available over here. So this is the ID that you have to change that with. So over here, I will change that to my Tradetron ID. And similarly, also you have to go over here and you have to paste the postback URL. So once we copy this and paste it over here, similarly, I will just change this to my Tradetron user ID. And I will simply create this app. Alright, so once you get this success message, that means this particular app is created. Now what we need from here is the API key. Alright, so API key is generated over here once you create this app. So this is the app that we just created now. It is active status and we named it as Tradetron 2, right? So this is the API key that we will be needing in order to basically generate the token. So what I will do is now I will go to broker and exchanges page over here where we went initially. Over here, then what we will do is we'll click on add broker. I will select angel broking. And then after that, I will put in my user ID and password. So this user ID and password will be basically your angel broking trading terminal user ID and password. All right. So I will just put that one. And I will put in my password. And over here, as we see the API key, this is where we will put this particular API key that we just generated from Smart API portal. So I will just paste it over here in Smart API and make sure that there is no space or anything that is left. So once I remove the spaces from front and back, I will just simply click on save. So before that, make sure that this token is, we have to keep this empty because this will be generated automatically. And this also has to be kept empty so that, you know, automatically the token will be generated. So now I will just simply click on save. All right. So once this is done, we will get the message that the broker and exchange setting has been created successfully. So that means the angel broking has been added to the account. So now what I will do is, there is an important step that we have to do now, and that is to generate the token. So in order to generate the token, you will see this regenerate token link. So token is basically a unique code that is generated that will link angel broking with Tradetron, and its validity is just 24 hours. So that's the reason why you will have to do it daily before 9 a.m. in the morning, that is before market hours. So once you generate this token every day morning on a daily basis, then automatically your trades throughout the day will work out properly. All right, so right now I will just show you how to generate the token. So I will simply click on this generate token link, and as you can see, we just got the message that the token has been generated successfully. So this process is complete, and as we can see over here, the time is also updated. So last updated is July 10th, 9:49. So that means from here also we will get to know whenever was the token that was generated. So ideally we have to create this token before 9 a.m. in the morning. So you can do this between say 8:30 or 8:45 to 9:15 a.m. Before market opens, and then you will be able to trade. So once this particular process is complete, that means your angel broking is now connected with Tradetron. So there is one recommendation that we have, that whenever you connect a broker, it's always a good practice to test one particular strategy, whether it's working properly in Tradetron and angel broking or no. So for that, what you can do is you can simply go to Google. Over here you can just search for ITC strategy Tradetron. So over here, the very first link that you will see over here, buy one share of ITC and exit after 1 minute. So as the name suggests, what this strategy does is, it basically buys one share of ITC, that is around 200-300 rupees, and after 1 minute it will automatically sell the stock. So through this, what it will do is, you will get to know whether the trade is being placed in your angel broking account or no. So this is how you can check, by deploying this strategy in your account, whether the trade is happening properly or not. So what I can do is, I can just simply subscribe to this strategy. So once the strategy subscription is complete, so it will automatically be saved in your My Strategies page. So once we go to My Strategies page, if I go to subscribe strategies, I will see that this strategy is visible over here now, and we subscribed to it just 13 seconds ago. Alright, so from here I can just deploy this strategy. So while deploying, we will get to see that, if I want to deploy it in live auto mode, then I can select angel broking and live auto and deploy it. So then automatically whenever the trade is generated, it will basically take the trade, and you will be able to see that. So I will just go to deployed page now, and I will filter out live auto, because we want to check the live trades, right? So in live auto, as we can see, we have deployed this strategy of ITC that will take buy ITC share and exit after 1 minute in the broker angel broking. So right now the time is 9:52 p.m. in the night, so markets are closed right now, so that's the reason why it will not take trade. But the status is active, so whenever in the next morning or whenever during market hours, if you deploy it, within 1 minute it will take the trade, so that you will get to know that this token process is particularly complete, and you will see the trades also that will happen in your broking account. So that is how we connect basically angel broking with Tradetron. So alright, thank you very much everyone. Hope this helps you.